He mundu uranjuririe kiuria aranjuria atiriri ndigana akiingira kihiko-ini no twecekaga muno kana no umiraga muno na ndirakimwira ni hakwa gukorwo sincerely speaking muthuri ni umiraga muno gitumi kia njugio niki muthuri ni ahotaga kumove faster than mutumia no nake mutumia akihera nitakiheraga na ngoro imwe ni maoni andu makirekereirie ni thutha wa video ino ya Triza wa Karangu Muraya angi makimutara hinya arekira nguo nguhi muno kana ni aragitesa muno kwenda guthomera maoni ma andu maundu matigakiume kanua-ini gakwa rucio mongi kauga atiriri Guy Triza remember you are Mukulino nguo fupi wacha Rose na kero karamucokeria ramwira tafuta pesa wewe ndio ujue kuvaa nguo fupi sio dhambi. Liza kabatiri huyu mzungu hana maroho. Is even advertising Spencer. May space cannons shine forever. Eskora kiado kabatiri mpaka kabra ni ile ya to straps. Wapi makofi kwa Triza. Rosemary wajema akamana gogo gala. Kizungu itakupata uko mbere ni andu makimutarite muno ni thutha wao witigana na muthuriwe Karangu Muraya tutakika ni makana hihi no kindu gigwitwo kiki Nelson akauga atiriri bora kuwa mtu amekula raha. Imagine saa hii ndio Triza anaanza raha. Karangu, you have a long way to go.
No, she can be here. Babes. She can do the vegetable cutting. Triza is in the middle. Okay. Hi, how are you, my friends? Today, beef fillet. Okay? Triza, let me show you. If we want to do choma, yes. If we want to do choma, it has to go chop chop. Quick, quick. I buy the beef fillet. Very soft. Only cook for 5-10 minutes and it's ready. If you have 2 hours, you can cook ribs, you can do anything. So now we will be cutting, and I will be.
Let me wash my hand.
Yes. Go wash your hands. No bacteria.
No bacteria.
I wash my hands already. So let me open this.